Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be covering how you can check out your Amazon Prime Video password, so let's get right into it. Now, sadly, if you have forgotten your password, there is no way in which you can see which password it is. There might be an option if you have saved your login information on your browser, you might be able to access the saved login information and then go check it out from there. However, if you haven't done that or if you haven't written it down, there is no other way to see it through the service itself. However, if you've forgotten your password, you can easily change it and then write it down so you can remember it. You need to go into your account and settings, and then once you go here, you'll be prompted to log in again. And then once you log in, let me just enter my password. Once you log in, all you have to do is go into your details and click edit on Amazon, and from here you'll be prompted to log in again, which kind of goes on my nerves, but it is what it is. It is for added security. And then once you log in, all you have to do is go and check your password, click edit, and then you'll need to enter your current password and enter your new password, and that's pretty much it. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.